In today's video, I'll teach you how to select location on Golden Corral. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in goldencorral.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Golden Corral. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to select the location, what you have to do is simply click on this option, find location, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the location for yourself. You can also use your own location if you want. Simply click on this option, use my location. After you do that, you'll be able to use your own location. If you want to enter the city or zip manually, click on this option, enter your city or zip. Now what you have to do is enter the zip code over here. Now click on this option, submit. Or instead of that, you can also enter the city. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular zip code or city will be selected. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the location of Golden Corral in that particular city or zip code. So like this, you'll be able to select the location. So that is how you select location on Golden Corral. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.